Want to know how to use the Orlando Airport Tram? I'll show you right here on Travel Tricks. Before I get started, thank you for watching this video, and I hope you will subscribe to my channel, as I'm always trying to help you make the next vacation the best one. Traveling from airport to airport is a planned journey. Once you arrive in a foreign airport, getting from A to B can be confusing. To keep ahead in this video, I'll go over step by step what to expect once you land or leave from the Orlando International Airport. May you be coming to Orlando to see Disney World, or if you have other reasons for your journey here. Once you have arrived, the Orlando Airport has its own tram to commute you to get where you need to go. As soon as you're off the plane and you're at the airport, you're guided to follow signs to baggage claim. You'll walk through a food court, then come across a hallway that's actually a station. You'll see a screen notifying the arrival of the next APM. The APM stands for Automatic People Mover. It's the Orlando Airport Tram. This will take you to your baggage. You wait for the doors to open. Find yourself a place to sit, or if you prefer to stand, you can. You watch the view outside the windows. The ride is fairly quick, and before you know it, the doors have opened and you continue your journey. Continue to follow the signs. You will walk down corridors, and the signs will direct you where you need to walk from here. Eventually, you'll go down an escalator, or you can choose instead to take the stairs or elevator. You look at what claim number is according to your flight and pick up your luggage. If you're not seeing family or renting a car, I would highly suggest pre-ordering an airport transfer company to drive you to your hotel. There's a number of companies that do this, and you can prepay online. It's right outside the door from the baggage claim when you meet your ride. Then sit back and enjoy Orlando. If you're leaving from the Orlando airport, after you get through security, you follow the signs to the APM, otherwise Airport People Movers. Once inside, it'll take you to your plane. I hope this visual step-by-step gives the heads up to make your Orlando airport experience better. I also hope that you will consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel, Travel Tricks, as I'm always working to help share some tricks to make your travel experience a better one.